In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export deals from Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to get a clean file you can open in your spreadsheet tool of choice. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking at the vertical bar on the left side of your screen. Near the bottom, you'll see a 3 dots icon. This is the More menu. Click that icon to reveal additional options that aren't shown in the main navigation. If you don't see it, make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far, or expand your browser so the sidebar displays fully. Also, ensure you have permission to export data in your Pipedrive plan. Some roles may have this restricted. From that menu, choose Export Data. This opens the export panel where you can decide exactly what to send out. You'll notice several categories across the top, such as people, organizations, and more. Since we're focusing on deals, click the Deals tab to make sure you're exporting the right information. This ensures you're working with your pipeline records, deal titles, values, stages, owners, and related fields. Next, set your export options. Start with Archive Status. This determines whether you include only active deals, only archived deals, or both. If you're preparing a current pipeline report, select Active or the equivalent option. If you need historical analysis or closed records, include Archived as well. Then choose the data type. This controls which fields you export. Pick the option that best fits your goal, whether that's all standard and custom fields or a more streamlined set to keep your file easy to work with. A lighter export is faster to analyze, but a full export is better if you need comprehensive reporting. Now pick your export format. CSV is the most widely compatible choice and opens nicely in Excel, Google Sheets, and most analytics tools. XLSX works well if you plan to stay in Excel and prefer a native spreadsheet format. If you collaborate with others, choose the format everyone can open without conversion. When everything looks right, click Export. Pipedrive will prepare your file and download it to your computer, usually to the default Downloads folder. For larger accounts, give it a moment to generate. Open the file to confirm your columns and values are present, and save it to a secure location, especially if it contains sensitive business data. And that's it. You click the 3 dots, selected Export Data, moved to the Deals tab, chose your archive status, data type, and format, and clicked Export. You're ready to analyze, share, or back up your deal data with confidence.